Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India has beaten its own best performance of June 21st to create a new world record in terms of the highest vaccination done in a single day. The Health Ministry data released this morning says that India vaccinated 88.13 lakh people in the last 24 hours. That makes August 16 number the highest ever that India has seen since the mass vaccination against the coronavirus began on the January 16 this year. With this world record, India's cumulative vaccine coverage has reached 55.47 crore doses. There is another good news in terms of daily caseload. India on Tuesday reported 25,166 fresh COVID-19 infection. This is the lowest number of new cases in a single day in the last 154 days. The government data says that the number of active cases has also gone down to 3,69,846. This is the lowest number of active cases in the last 146 days. The recovery rate has surged to 97.51%, the highest that India has ever seen. The number of daily recoveries was more than the new cases, showing some relief in the transmission rate of the virus. However, the COVID-19 deaths saw a marginal increase to 437 today. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Twinkle Barnawal reporting the members of the administrative body of Asansol Municipal Corporation were reshuffled again. A directive was issued yesterday by the Chief Secretary Government of West Bengal. As per the direction, 4 members have been dropped and 3 new faces have been appointed. The administrative board of Asansol Municipal Corporation was reconstituted. Amarnath Chatterjee has been re-elected as the president. Board member have been changed. Abhijit Ghatak, Purana Sasi Roy, Anjana Sharma and Tabassum Ara have been removed from the municipal administrative board. In his place, BB College principal Amitabh Basu, social activities Chandrasekhar Kundu and Manas Das have been included. The former member of the community are Mir Hasim, Shyam Soren and Divyendu Bhagat. Manas Das and Amitabh Bose have been made vice president. It is believed that Abhijit Ghatak has been made the president of Trinamool Congress Worker of Organization and he has been transferred according to the one man one post formula. TMC want to give a good message to the public before the municipal election. That's why intellectual have been given a place. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Purulia working editor Vikash Prasad in Purulia on Tuesday morning. Chief Minister registration threat to cut off hand for holding Trinamool flag and revenge for Kisan Jidders. There has been an uproar in area after the poster of Mo's name was found demanding to take it. Bada Bazar police has already started investigation regarding the poster. According to the information, several posters in the name of Moist were recovered from 3 Gram Panchayat area of Bada Bazar block of the district on Tuesday morning. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Once again, the Trinamool worker created a rucksack by blocking the path of Jitendra Tiwari. This big news of this time is from the dominated area of Pandeshwar, where former mayor cum BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari was going to house of his supporter Vikas Bhandarkar. At the same time, on the way, hundreds of Trinamool workers stopped his car and protested with a black flag and a broom in his hand. There was a big demonstration by throwing eggs in front of Jitendra Tiwari's car. In this regard, Jitendra Tiwari told reporters that he was going to the house of one of his supporters. At the same time, Trinamool workers blocked their path and started protesting. However, Jitendra Tiwari made it clear that he will not complain about this incident to the police station, because for doing such an incident the person only acts, which is not understandable, because those who are creating such a rocks, he is not doing it on his own will but at the behest of his leaders. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Sama Naz has been nominated as the president of Trinamool Congress Ward number 83. Mr. Sama Naz thanked the senior leader for this responsibility assigned to her. She accused that she would try to do her best for women in the area as well as for their empowerment. She remained that God has assigned with the task of creation of women of society. No development can be complete without their overall development. People are of the view that the organization of TMC must be strengthened with her advent in the party. She is inhabitant of Ward number 83. She is energetic, politically conscientious, with organizational capacity. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. So, senior overman was crushed to death in Demoman Colliery mine official Sodhpur area on Monday due to fall. The deceased Sanjay Manji, age 53, was a resident of BC Park Road under the Hirapur police station. He was also the branch vice president of INTUC. The post-mortem of the death body was done at Asansol District Hospital. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Vaccination Baranpur. On Tuesday, a free vaccination camp was organized at Shahid Bhagat Singh Welfare Society Club, Baranpur, where 300 people took the first dose of vaccine to save COVID-19. Sujit Singh Makar, executive head of General Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee and founder president of Sikh Welfare Society, said that the service of our people is going on consequently in Silpanchal, and this is our second vaccination camp today, and further camps will continue to happen, and this work is going on with the cooperation of all of you. In this, Asansol Municipal Corporation has sent its health worker along with the election. We are very grateful to the municipal corporation so that the public can get the vaccine properly. Jagdish Singh, the head of the Central Gurdwara Management Committee. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Domhani Bazaar Religion Trinamool office has been filled with joy since this morning. It is reported that Vidhan Upadhyay, MLA of Barabani, has taken over the responsibility of West Bardhaman District President. Manoj Sharma report. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Of an 18-year-old housewife was recovered this morning in Parul Vagaria village under Barabani block, Panuria Gram Panchayat. Upon receiving the news of the incident, he saw that the girl was laying in the bed in a bloody state. After that, the Barabani police station was informed. Police suspected that the girl was strangled to the death. Police arrested the mother-in-law from the scene. Report by Manoj Sharma from Barabani. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. On behalf of Salanpur Panchayat Samiti of newly elected District President Vidhan Upadhyay, MLA of Barabani, the newly elected President of West Bardhaman District, was given a reception at the office of Salanpur Panchayat Samiti in Salanpur block today. President of Salanpur Panchayat Samiti, Falguni Ghasi Karamkar and Vice President Vidyut greeted MLA Vidhan Upadhyay.
আর যদি এমনি জমা করতে ওটা সরকার আবার নোটিশ করবে। কি চিন্তা ভাবনা পার্টিটা যেন আরো সুন্দরভাবে চলে, আরো আমরা মানুষের পরিষেবা দিতে পারি সেটার চেষ্টা করবো।
আচ্ছা, সালানপুর ব্লক এবং বারাবণী ব্লকের জন্য কি চিন্তাধারা করছেন?
বারাবণী সালানপুরে তো কাজ চলছে সবসময়, তা নতুন করতে চিন্তাধারা
যুবক যুবতীদের জন্য
সরকার চিন্তাধারা করছে, আমাদের নেত্রী চিন্তা করছে।
আজকে দুয়ারে সরকারের উপরে আপনাদের মানে কি দেখলেন, এখানে কি মনে হচ্ছে?
খুব সুন্দরভাবে হচ্ছে, মানুষের প্রচুর সাড়া আছে। আমি গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত থেকে যারা এসে লাইন দিয়েছেন লক্ষ্মী ভান্ডার বা অন্যান্য আমি এখন জাস্ট আমি ঘুরে এলাম বারাবণী পঞ্চায়েতে ঘুরে এলাম। ওখানে প্রচুর প্রায় একসাথে 3000-এর উপর লক্ষ্মীর ভান্ডারের ফর্ম দেওয়া হলো। আমি দাঁড়িয়ে হয়ে ওখানে হলো। তো মানুষের এই যে মানে প্রকল্পগুলোতে আসার মানে আওতায় আসার জন্য যেভাবে মানুষ লাইন দিয়ে আসছে, কোনো শান্তিপূর্ণ পরিবেশ রয়েছে, এটাই মানুষের কাছে মানে চাইবো যাতে আগামী দিনে আরও সুন্দরভাবে আমরা সরকারি যে প্রকল্পগুলো আছে সেগুলো মানুষের কাছে নিয়ে আসতে পারি।
জানা গেছে যে লক্ষ্মীর আমাদের দুয়ার সরকারে ব্যাংকের অ্যাকাউন্ট খোলা হবে, কিন্তু প্রায় সব জায়গাতে দেখা যাচ্ছে খোলা হচ্ছে না। কেন?
না, কিছু কিছু জায়গায় ডিপার্টমেন্টে মানে একটা ব্লকে হয়তো চলছে, আবার আরেকটা ব্লকে চলছে, একটু টাইম হচ্ছে, কিন্তু সবগুলো চলছে। যতগুলো প্রকল্প আছে যা করা আছে সব আছে।
এটা নতুন জেলা সভাপতি হিসাবে এলাকার মানুষকে কি বলতে চাইছেন আপনি?
মানুষ যেভাবে ভরসা রেখেছে, আশা রেখেছে, আগামী দিনে সেই আশা ভরসা যেন থাকে, আশীর্বাদটা থাকে, নিশ্চিতভাবে মানুষের সাথে থাকবে, মানুষের পাশে থাকবে।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Rajesh Hari reporting on 15 August at 8:30 p.m. Jiten Das attacked Bubai Hari with a stone. He was attacked on simple altercation. Mr. Bubai was first taken to Pulti Hospital, thereafter to Asansol District Hospital. His condition is said to be critical. Attending doctors said that he got a head injury. Let us hear what his relative says in this regard.
ঠিক নেই, ছেলেটা অনেক গরিব, আমরা এসিস্ট্যান্স নিয়ে এসেছি।
কি করে যায়?
এটা কেস হয়ে যেমন ছেলেটা যেমন ছেলেটা মেরেছে সেই ছেলেটাকে যেমন
অ্যারেস্ট করে যায়,
অ্যারেস্ট করা যায়।
এখনো অ্যারেস্ট করেনি?
না, এখনো ছেলেটাকে অ্যারেস্ট করে নেই, ছেলেটাও তো একদম ঘুরিয়ে বেড়া আছে।
কালকে অ্যারেস্ট করেনি?
না,
কাল কটার সময় মারপিট হয়েছে?
ছেলেটা মারপিট হয়েছে 9টার সময়।
9টা।
9টার সময়
তোমরা যত জলদি চাই এই ছেলেকে অ্যারেস্ট করো।
অ্যারেস্ট করে, হ্যাঁ।
কোথায় তোমার বাড়ি?
আমার কুলটিতে পারে।
कॉलेज में साफ सफाई अभियान चला था 3 दिन, जिसमें हम अपना एलएम हॉस्पिटल का जो प्रोग्राम था उसमें 3 दिन हम लोग सफाई चला था, जिसमें हम लोग अवेयरनेस फैलाए थे कि साफ सफाई रखना बहुत जरूरी है।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Lal Banawal has achieved a great height in the field of sport. He has been honored recently in Ravindra Bhavan. Let us hear what he claims.
किया था। उसके बाद मैंने अपने आगे फॉरवर्ड में जाने के लिए अपने अपने उच्च अधिकारी डीएम साहब को लेकर दिया था, जिन्होंने मुझे उसमें सम्मानित किया 15 अगस्त को, जिसमें उन्होंने मुझे एक प्रेस दिया और उन्होंने बोला कि आप कहाँ कहीं भी जाओगे, कोई जैसे मैं फिलहाल माउंट पद्मसू नाम का मनाली हिमाचल प्रदेश में, वो मैं जाने वाला हूँ नेक्स्ट मंथ। जाने वाले माउंट पद्मसू कहाँ पर? मनाली में। वहाँ जाने वाला हूँ। वहाँ के बाद मेरा पहला कैंप हुआ है। उसके बाद मैं जाने वाला हूँ स्टॉप कांगड़ी, जो आपका लद्दाख लेह में पड़ता है, जो विश्व का सबसे लंबा ट्रैक्टेबल पिक है, मतलब जो सबसे लंबा, जो जिसकी ऊंचाई 22,300 फीट और आपका मीटर में बोला जाए तो 6,118 मीटर की ऊंचाई। प्रोग्राम होता है मेरे कॉलेज से अवेयरनेस करा गया था, जो लायंस क्लब का ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था मेरे कॉलेज बंगाईलाल भरोटिया कॉलेज नेत्र में हुआ था, जिसमें बच्चों लोग का जो चाइल्ड कैंसर बीमारी होता है उसके लिए 5 किलोमीटर का अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम हुआ था, जिसमें हम लोग टी शर्ट भी करना, और उसमें मुझे एडीएम साहब के हाथ से अवार्ड किया गया था, उनके हाथ से मुझे सर्टिफिकेट मिला था। उसमें बहुत सारे ऊँचे अधिकारी थे, जैसे मलाई घाटक हो गए, हमारे प्रिंसिपल साहब हो गए, और भी बहुत सारे लायंस क्लब के प्रेसिडेंट हैं, और भी बहुत सारे ऊँचे अधिकारी हैं।
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Asansol, in commemoration of the 75th Independence Anniversary of India, Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, organized Fit India Freedom Run 2.0. The Ministry of Youth, Sports, Government of India has planned such an improvement initiative under the auspices of the Fit India movement. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now let us hear SMS of News Movement. The best revenge is no revenge. Move on and be happy. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.